Hey, what's going on, everybody? Of course, my name is Yusef Scott. I'm the Forex GOAT. You guys know me. I'm very thankful to have you guys here watching this video. I know that many of you are coming from far and far away. You're watching my videos. You're subscribed to my channel. You follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I thank you. For those of you who are not yet subscribed to this channel, get subscribed. For those of you who are not yet connected with me on Instagram, on Facebook, check out my handle, sodarneasyforex. Follow me, all right? When I put out this wisdom, this Forex awareness, you want to make sure that you're in line to receive it, all right? Now, if you guys watched my previous video on why I do not use a stop loss, this video today is going to be on why is it that I don't use a take profit, okay? Now, in my previous video, I told you guys why, using a stop loss, it's just like you guys telling someone, your enemy, hey, listen, I'm over here. Come and take my money. All right? How logical is that? Doesn't make sense. That's my take on it. Now, let me explain to you guys why is it that I don't use a take profit. For those of you who might be brand new to Forex, maybe you heard that term echoed, take profit. Let me explain what a take profit is. Very simple. Take profit. Think of what it is. Take profit. You're looking to take profit. Okay. A take profit is nothing more than, let's say, for instance, you're in the market. And let's say, hypothetically speaking, you have some errands to run and you're not able to watch your charts. Okay. And you say, you know what? I feel like this market is going to go down. I'm not able to watch it. But because I feel good about this market going down, maybe I'll set a take profit at this price point. Okay? And usually what people they'll do, they'll set a stop loss and a take profit. One, to protect their equity from, the take profit the stop loss would, of course, protect you from losing any more than what you would say, okay, I'm willing to lose 20 pips. Maybe that would equate to $40, and then a take profit would say, okay, at this price point, when the market reaches this point, shut down my trade. Okay, because maybe you're not sure where the market is going. Maybe you just feel like, okay, I feel like the market is going to go here. Let me just take this money and be out. All right, so I want to tell you guys, the take profit is nothing more than you saying, this is what I'm looking to take, and that's it. I'm done. I'm out, and I'm done. All right. Now, me, just like I told you guys with a stop loss. Stop loss is nothing more than you saying, holding up, a spotlight or something and saying, hey, I'm over here. Come and take my money. You can take this money. Basically, you giving your enemy keys to your bank, keys to your bank account, keys to your wallet. How crazy is that? There's no way I would do that. Okay. Now, conversely, with a take profit, it's like you saying, well, instead of me making, letting the market run this far, I'm only going to settle for this amount. Huh? Are you kidding me? Now, me personally, you guys know I like to let my trades run. So, of course, after using the perfect entry strategy and all that, this, that, and the third, I'm not going to be settling for just a small amount. I'm going to go for the gusto. All right? Like I told you guys in a previous video on stop loss, if I can't watch my trade, if I can't periodically monitor my trades, then I don't need to be in the trade. Now, that's just me. I know that some of you, you're not in a position where you can, do as I do. Some of you, you may work a job. You may have family that you have to look after. You have a busy schedule. I get it. So, of course, you have to get in where you fit in. If it makes sense for you, you use it. If it doesn't, that's fine. I know that I know my position, my reasoning behind not using the take profit might not jive for everybody. it doesn't make my opinion on it wrong. It doesn't make your opinion wrong. This is just why I don't use it, why I choose not to use it. Okay, if it makes sense, then it makes sense. If it doesn't, that's fine. Okay, but me, I'm coming into the Forex market to get as much as I can, not settle for no shorts. That's not going to happen. I'm looking to get everything I can out of the market, and I'm looking to do it without increasing my risk. Okay, I'm looking to minimize my risk and increase my profit potential. Therefore, I'm not going to settle for no loss. I'm not going to settle for taking, just a little bit when I can go for everything, especially if I know where the market is going. And I'm only in the market if I know where it's going. Okay, so if what I'm telling you, if it resonates well with you, that's great. I know that everyone will not be, aligned with what I'm saying. It's okay. If you feel like it's best that you use it, that's good. But me, and I'm sure a lot of you out there who are watching this video and who are going to watch this video years from now, I know that you can relate, and it makes sense. I'm not coming to the Forex market to accept any shorts. I'm going to get what it is that I can. And that's just what it is. So take profit. I don't use it because I'm limiting myself. I'm not coming to the market to take a little bit. I want to get as much as I can. Stop loss. I don't want no one in my business. I don't want no one to see where I'm focused on getting out in or what I'm willing to give up. I don't want to give anyone the key to my account, access to my account. That's not going to happen. So those two features that are built inside of MT4 and any other trading platform, I choose not to use it. Okay, and I think I do pretty well without having I don't use it. I don't use it. Now, there has been a few times that I've used take profit. Let me clear that up. I have used take profit a few times. Stop loss, no. There was an instance when scalping, and this was maybe within the last couple months, within the last 2 months, I used take profit. So let me clear the air. I've used take profit. I was like up late and I was like dog tired, and I said, you know what? I know what this market is going to do. It's going to go to this point, and I just want out. And it actually did that. It actually hit my take profit, and I was out the market. All right. But that's because I knew, and let me clarify, that's because I knew that I knew where the market was going to go, and the market did exactly as I had expected. And that's knowing the market. All right. So like I said, to each his own. As a long-term trader, I'm not using a take profit. I'm not using a stop loss. If you're short-term trading, I can see why they would use stop loss. Like I said, I'm not saying that you're wrong for using it. It's just not my style. That's just not what I do. Take profit. You might be in a circumstance where it may make sense, even on a stop loss. I get it, but generally speaking, it doesn't make sense, especially if you're a long-term trader. And I need to clear that up. If you're a long-term trader and you know where the market is going, if it makes sense, if it doesn't make sense, why use it? If you know it's going to go beyond, like, why even limit yourself? And that's the bottom line. I'm not coming to limit myself. If I know the market is it's going to go higher or lower, Why am I going to settle for the market going here when I know it's going to go lower? I can get more. If that's the case, I need to adjust it so that it makes sense. Okay, so I'm glad that I can clear that up, because I remember that I did actually use a take profit recently, and stop loss, no, that's not going to happen. All right, so of course, if depending on your style of trading, you may have to use, it may make sense for you to use it. But I just wanted to clear the air. I don't get a lot of questions about take profit, but stop loss, I get that question asked a lot. So I thought I would clear the air, and I thought it would make sense if I just, hey, let me just make a video about take profit. So hopefully this makes sense to you guys. As I always tell you guys, if you are not yet connected with me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, you can check out my handle, sodarneasyforex. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, get subscribed to the channel. That way when I put out content as this, you guys can receive it right away. All right, definitely appreciate all of the love, all of the support. For those of you who take time to watch these videos, whether you agree or disagree, whether you like the video or not, I'm thankful to have you guys as my audience. All right, so you guys have a fantastic day. Of course, my name is Yusef Scott. I'm the Forex GOAT, as you guys may know. You guys have a fantastic morning, afternoon, evening. Good night. Peace.